Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keena, and as you saw in the title, we are getting ready to do some Super Bowl Sunday crab dip. Okay, so like I said, Super Bowl Sunday is coming, so I'm not really a huge football fan, but what I am here for are the snacks, the food, and the commercials. So we're gonna get a little something just in case you're a little bit like me and you're more interested in what's gonna be served as opposed to what's going on the TV, then I have something great for you. If you're a seafood lover, you're really gonna enjoy this one. It's like really cheesy and just get warm and delicious. So I think it'll be a great addition to whatever other things you have on your Super Bowl spread. So we're gonna get started with the recipe. But before we do, I wanna ask you to take a moment to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments that just write the word subscribe to let me know so I can try to give you a hey, a thank you, or a shout out. All right, so the ingredients that we're gonna need for the recipe are lump crab meat, parsley, lemon juice, sour cream, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, and my super simple cannabis mayonnaise. And if you don't have my cannabis mayonnaise recipe, it's over on the site. I'll put the direct link in the description box so you can get it really easily, because this is a really quick and easy recipe. So I really like that you could even make it ahead and like mix it all up and then bake it on Sunday. So I like that part too. But like I said, if you don't have the cannabis mayo recipe, I will put the link in the description. So first things first, we are going to mix all of our kind of creamy ingredients. So I'm going to put our cannabis mayonnaise in a bowl. I think it's just easier to start with all your cream-based ingredients, almost like a dressing. So we got that. Then I have my cream cheese, which is softened, so you can leave it out at room temperature. Kind of a little hack that I have is I'll open them up and put them on top of the oven while it's preheating, and it'll kind of quickly get it softened. So I'm just gonna put that in the bowl too. And last but not least, we're going to put the sour cream. So I'm just gonna mix these up, try to get them nice and smooth and creamy, which shouldn't be too hard if the cream cheese is softened. If it's still a little cold, then it'll be chunky. So you don't want that, just because it'll make it a little bit harder for you. I think I'm going to use my whisk, even though it's kind of a small one, so I don't know if it'll really get what I want, but I will use it to kind of get rid of some of these chunks. Okay, so now that we got most of those lumps out and it's a little bit more creamy. Also, you could do this over in the stand mixer. I just didn't really feel like messing with that today, so we're just gonna work right here in the bowl. That will be a lot easier. So now I'm just gonna start seasoning kind of this blend. So this is our kind of creamy, cheesy blend with the mayonnaise, and now we're gonna season it. So I'm gonna put the lemon juice, okay, so now that I've added the lemon juice, it's starting to curdle a little bit, so it's looking like cottage cheese, but that's fine. So like I said, just some seasoning. So I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt and just some black pepper. And then I'm going to do a teaspoon of Worcestershire. Pretty sure that's how you say it. And then a couple dashes of hot sauce. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's good. All right. So now that we've got all that in there, now I'm going to add the lump crab and the cheese, which I have back here. I will start with the cheese first. Now the pièce de résistance, the crab meat. So it's gonna put that in there, right? saute, and then I'm just gonna give this a stir. You wanna be gentle. Like my bowl is a little bit small for all of these ingredients, but I'm gonna figure it out. So just if your bowl is a little small, so just take your time, mix it in there. Just wanna get everything kind of incorporated. Okay, so finally, we're just gonna put all of our crab cheesy mix here into this baking pan. You can use any baking pan that you have that's larger than like an 8x8, 9x9. I'm going to be using this pie plate just because I thought it was pretty and I think it'll look nice at the end. And obviously, if it's something like a Super Bowl, you're probably going to be having guests over, so you want it to be a little bit pretty. So that's, you know, the only reason for that. But we're just going to scoop this in there. Okay, so we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and that's it. Okay, so our Super Bowl crab dip is out of the oven. I'm not gonna touch the pan to show you guys just because it's really still hot and I wanna be able to taste it warm, but it looks really good. Like it's brown around the edges like we would want, and it smells really good. So I'm going to take my little spoon here and get me some out. I have some little like French baguette slices. You can use tortilla chips, crackers, whatever you kind of like to eat your dip with. Also, remember, if you have my cannabis mayo recipe that we put into this to infuse, it's 800 milligrams of THC total, which is kind of a lot. So you can kind of go up or down on your milligrams when you make the mayonnaise itself. But if we just use the standard 800 that I normally use to make my mayonnaise, then that means 800 milligrams of THC went into the whole dip. Now it serves about 8, so you can assume that there's about 100 milligrams of THC per cup or per person or per serving that will go into this. And then if you eat it like in small bits or whatever, probably about 800 milligrams going in there, we're looking at like 6.25 milligrams of THC per tablespoon. So that just gives you an idea of our dosing and what we put in there. So now let's just give this sucker a taste. Okay, it's still a little bit steamy because like I said, it just came out the oven. Well, it's safe to say the food dance is back. Y'all remember we made those pinwheel cookies from So Yummy, and child, we was not food dancing, but the food dance is back. Delicious lump crab, cheese. There's really no way to really go wrong with this. So I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments or tell me what you're making that's infused for the Super Bowl or any tailgate day that you like to make snacks for, and I would love to hear about it. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.